Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I'm just going to do a kind of a video that I normally don't always do, and it's more of like an unboxing video. But I just received this in the mail, and I just want to at least just unbox it and share it with you guys. And then what I'll do is I'll install it and then do another video showing you guys how it works. And this is a device that the folks over at Reolink, I've been going back and forth with them for over 6 months, and they were nice enough to finally send me one of their outdoor weatherproof, completely battery-operated smart cams. And let me get my knife here, if I can find it, because we're going to... What did I do with it? How do you lose a knife? There it is. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and bust this open and take a look at what we got here in the box. So here it is right here. This comes in two parts. You have a battery-operated camera, of course, and then you have the optional solar panels. This thing will constantly charge itself, providing you have the right amount of sun, I believe. I'm not really sure if it works in overcast weather or not. It says here, easy setup, water resistance, get non-stop solar power, water resistance, connect your Reolink Argus to solar panel, and you will get non-stop power. So, not really sure. I'll try to find some more information about that and when I re-review this product. Let's go ahead and bust it open and take a look at the camera. Here's, of course, the box it came in, or comes in. Let's see what we get here. This looks pretty nice. And you guys know, normally I get so excited to bust this out of the box and then install it that I never actually do these unboxings, but kind of caught me at the right time here. So let's take a peek here. Looks like their app is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. And here when you pop off the top, it says be ready, be prepared, be Reolink. Kind of cool. You have an instruction manual, and then of course the camera. Let's see what else you get here. Here's the camera. And then some accessories here. Let's see what we get here. Looks like we have a battery pack. We have some sort of screws, a USB charging cable, looks like. Some mounting screws. Not really sure what this is for. I have to look in the manual here. Some kind of strap. I believe this is what if you want to mount it to a tree and not screw it to the tree. Looks like you have kind of a weatherproof rubber cover for it. It's kind of nice. I'm going to go ahead and pop the battery on it here. There's the battery. And the camera. This thing's awesome. And let's not see here. It just kind of pops in, I believe. Oh, no, it slides in. Sorry. There it is. All right. And this has got, oh, cool. This is a magnetic base.
Camera has been started up.
Oh.
Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up.
All right. So, pretty interactive there. It talks to. Looks like you have some weatherproof.
Please run Reolink app.
I'm going
add
to.
The camera
I
and
will.
Set it up.
I will do that, I promise. Kind of cool. Looks like I said, it has a magnetic base. So basically, you could set this up pretty much at any angle, really. And this is pretty secure.
Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up.
All right, let's run the Reolink app so we can get her to be quiet for a second. Let me get my phone here. All right, let's see here. So let's download the Reolink app. I use Android, of course, so go to the Google Play Store. And Reolink. Let's see what we get here, Reolink. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and install that. Let it do its thing there. Alright, so pretty cool so far. I'm pretty impressed with the build quality. You know, and I have used several different cameras around the house from Zomato with NVRs. I'm not really sure where this stores its footage, if it stores it actually on the micro SD card or whatnot, but we're going to find all that out. Okay, so let's get her to stop talking here. I've downloaded the app. Let me take off the protective cover here. Alright, and it looks like it also comes within the box a standard mount right here. Looks like this one here is like more of your, if you don't want to use the magnetic mount, you can actually use it with, it's got a part of the camera actually has a screw-in base, like you'd put on a stainless tripod. But not really sure why you'd not want to use the magnetic base. I mean, this thing's pretty sturdy. What's nice about it, in the event that you do have to charge this for whatever reason, if you're not using the solar panel, it's very easy to take this off, bring it in your house, and charge it. And we'll get specifics on that in a second. Let me open the Reolink app, see if we can get this thing set up and running here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add device. I believe that's what we do here. And align.
Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up.
Okay, so it says can't find QR code on your camera. It says align QR code with the frame. So this is what it looks like right here. And let's see where the QR code is. Looks like it's on the back here. Let's see if we can get it. So it says connection failed. Check your phone network and ensure the UID is correct. Let's try that again. Maybe just was the angle. Okay, looks like it added the device by scanning the QR code on the back of the camera. Now we're going to connect it to Wi-Fi here. Let's see here. Please run the app, add the camera, and set it up. So it says here, did you hear the voice? I heard the voice. Okay, heard the voice. So I'm going to connect to my network here. Let's see here. Let's connect to, I guess we'll try connecting to this. You know, I have had several issues with my network, as you guys know, but I got a new router. So we'll see how this works here with the new router. All right, let's see if we can get this to connect here. Okay, now it says scan the QR code. You put this in front of the camera.
Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
Pretty straightforward setup. I have to tell you, when I've set up the Zomato cameras in the past, I always had a lot of issues trying to get them to connect. Let's see if we have some luck here. Or not luck, let's see if it works, you know, perfectly.
Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
Now again, my router is a tri-band router broadcasting 3 SSID, or 1 SSID with 3 different bandwidths, or you have 2 5 gigahertz bands and then 1 2.4.
Camera is connecting to your router.
So we'll see if this actually connects, because sometimes I've had issues with devices that are not 5 gigahertz compatible connecting that to the router, which shouldn't make a difference because it's supposed to be able to steer
Camera is connecting to your router.
those devices wherever. Sorry, I'm just things talking to me. It should be able to steer those devices to whichever bandwidth it's compatible with. But let's see if it works.
Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait. Connection to the router failed.
All right. So connection failed.
Connection to the router failed.
So let's try. We're going to try connecting it to the
Please run Reolink app. Add the camera and set it up.
to my other network here. Let's see if we can get that to work here, because that has been kind of an issue I've found in the past.
Please run Reolink app. Add the camera and set it
I'm going
up.
to connect it to specifically a 2.4 gigahertz bandwidth here. Or, yeah, sorry, I'm trying to. Let's see if we can connect it.
Please run Reolink
Yeah,
app.
yeah, yeah.
Add the camera and set it up.
All right, so we're connected to my other network. Let's try that again there. We'll see if we can get it to connect to this other router. Or my access point, basically. So we're going to add the camera again. We have to scan the QR code on the back of the camera. Add device. Connect to Wi-Fi. I heard the voice. Let's wait for it again, though. See, some of this stuff is never super easy to set up. It should be, but depending on your network and what you have running, I always seem to have issues. All right, it says, please run the app. Did we hear the voice? I was going to click I heard the voice here. All right, so let's enter the...
Please run Reolink app.
Okay.
Add the camera and set it up.
All right, let's try that again here. I've entered the correct information for the network. Now we're going to scan the QR code.
Scan succeeded.
All right.
Camera is connecting to your router.
Let's see if we connect seamlessly this time.
Connection to the router succeeded.
Yeah, see?
Welcome to Reolink.
Cool. All right, so we're connected to the router.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Okay, I got it. Thanks. So there we have a blue light on the front of the camera. So we are connected. Now let's go ahead and go back here, see if we can get some video here. All right. All right, so it says here connected to the router. Now it says device connected, but now it says device not connected. Device is not online. Please check network and battery power. So the device is connected to the router for some reason. I'm going to close the app and restart the app, because I have noticed sometimes there is a delay in some of these devices. The same thing happened with my garage door opener. Let's see if this thing is... Alright, so device settings, it looks like it did not work. So, alright, so well there's the first try here. So let's try, it says uninitialized device. So, I'm not sure what happened here. We have a blue light, we're connected. Not really sure why. Let's try deleting. Oh, there it goes. So we have a feed now. I just got a picture here. Let's see here. Later, we'll go later. Name the camera. I'm just gonna call it Reolink, or we'll just call Argus. Argus. No, what the hell happened? Now see. All right, name the camera. Argus. Argus 2. All right. We'll set a password for it. Oops. Let's try that again. And we're going to confirm the password. Hopefully. Alright, so we're going to set the password now. Alright, so finish. Alright, so here we go. Let's see if we can get a feed here. Perfect. Alright, so we have a live feed. It works pretty fast. I believe this is a 1080i camera as well. Let's take a look, a little bit more information. Now that we've got that set up, you guys had to watch me do that for the last 12 minutes. Let's take a look at the box. It is a wire-free, 1080p rechargeable, battery-powered, or solar-powered security camera. So we got that set up. Now, why don't we go ahead and bust open the solar panel. We'll take a look at that and see what that looks like. Pretty cool. We got the live feed going, so that's nice. I'm not really sure how this... whether this is recording through the cloud. When I re-review this after I get it set up, I'll have more information as far as whether you have to put a micro SD card in that for the footage, which it might be something you have to do, or if there's any kind of cloud recording, or because like with my Zomato cameras, there's actually a network attached storage drive, and you get complimentary, I think it's like a couple days of cloud storage unless you want to sign up. We'll see what this one actually does here. Let me get into this box here. Hopefully. Alright, we'll crack open the solar panel here, see what this looks like. Instruction manual, and alright, we have a mounting kit, and interesting. Oh, that's just protective cover. Alright, so here you go. So you have the solar panel. It comes with a couple screws and basically a tripod, not a tripod, but a mount for it. I'll show you that in a second here. There you go. So that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. You screws in the back. Here, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, pretty straightforward. Tighten down the screw here. So there it is. Alright, so the idea is you'll mount this outside with the camera, and then this thing will be constantly powered on, ready to go. Costing you no money and energy, and just powered by the sun. So, alright guys, well that's about it for the Argus 2. So far, extremely impressed with the build quality. The weight is great. The image is awesome on this. Being that we're broadcasting in, I believe we're at 1080p right now. Let's see if we can talk through it. Hello? 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 Cool. Hello? Argus 2. It's a little bit of a delay there. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I was pressing and holding it. So you can see that you're getting sound out of it. Now, it's very, very quiet. I'm not sure if that's an adjustment or what. Let's see if we can increase that. Hello? Alright, well I'll mess around with that. Let's turn this off now. All right. Hopefully we can turn this off here. All right, so that's a little bit of an issue there. We can't seem to... All right, so let's just close the app because that was getting annoying there. For whatever reason, it was not allowing me to get rid of the audio feed on that. So we'll try that again. Of course, it's probably just a little bit of setting it up and messing around with it and, you know, figuring the camera out. But so far, I'm pretty impressed, and I'm glad I was able to share it with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and install this now, and I'll make another video and tell you guys what I think about it. All right, guys, remember to subscribe, click like, and have a great day.